Hello everyone, Nasser here from Financial Markets Club. In this video I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. Just before I start, I just want to put it out there that I do not trade cryptocurrencies. Personally, I don't have no interest in this actually, to be honest, simply because I don't feel that there's enough fundamentals or any tangible backing behind cryptocurrencies. Of course, there are a lot of money-making opportunities on this as a speculator, but again, the volatilities are way too much for my appetite, to be honest. So I do not trade crypto, but as of late, with increased interest in cryptocurrencies and the high market valuations of cryptocurrencies, they're becoming ever more liquid, and I've noticed price action seems to be somewhat predictable, quite similar to Forex. So a lot of my followers have actually asked me to provide analysis on cryptocurrencies, a few of the key major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few others. So I'm going to do my best to help you out on this. So looking at Bitcoin, we've had a terrible fall on Bitcoin, obviously, since around the 60,000 level. It reached as high as 68,000, which we've seen. I mean, my analysis goes way back, where I wasn't actually talking about this publicly, because I've just been following the markets just to learn a bit more about how the market behaves and observe the price action. So let's move on to what's happening at the moment. We've recently breached the 30,000 level. I was actually waiting for Bitcoin to breach the 30,000 level, because what I had in mind is once it breaches the 30,000 level, we're going to 20,000 quite comfortably. So I've got a support level somewhere around the 20,000 ish level. So if we look at the recent descent, it may seem that Bitcoin has bottomed out around the 25,000 level, but I don't think we're quite done yet, if I'm honest. There's a lot of pump and dump kind of techniques going on in the crypto market and so forth. I don't really follow much of the fundamentals and so on. I try to focus impartially on the price action and what I see on my charts and technical analysis, which conform to most of the other stuff that I do. Market noise can be confusing, or it can be helpful. I usually find it quite confusing, but if I base it on my sort of techniques, I can see some sort of channel forming here, and I would imagine Bitcoin will fail this 30,000 level and continue to retest that 25,000 and head even lower. It might not strictly reach 20,000. It may stop somewhere around 21, 22, or it might even touch the 20,000. So I'm not saying, okay, we're going to get exactly 20,000, but that's where we're heading, it seems most likely. So for now, I would stay on the sidelines on Bitcoin, and let's just wait for it to push back down. If it doesn't push back down, then I'll be looking for it to sort of break out this 30,000 level. If it does without pushing back down, and it breaks above the 30,000, let's just say something a bit comfortable is around 34,000, then you can be a bit comfortable knowing that, okay, Bitcoin is potentially going up. But for now, I'm more inclined towards the short side. I feel crypto's got a bit more to fall before we see any substantial push up and buys coming in. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.